Hey everybody, welcome to another Classics Are Better. I'm Travis, and today we're out at the beautiful Denton Square at the Denton Arts and Autos Festival. Lots of cool cars, lots of cool people. Let's start checking stuff out. If you guys have never been to the square before, it is a really cool place. Comic shops, toy shops, ice cream, home style food. And of course, a gorgeous courthouse here in Denton. But there's some really neat other old buildings out here too. It's a full-on historical square. But yeah, guys, it is full. There's at least 150 pre-registered vehicles, and then I think they said another 20 or 30 kind of snuck in. So probably between 150, 180, something like that out here. But there is some cool stuff, and I will try and capture all the goodies that I can. Look at the meats on this thing. That is some dish. Look how deep that is. That's awesome. Nice old square body. Heck yeah. And add them some C10 Nationals. Oh. So they also have lots of vendors, stuff here on the square, all the restaurants and everything around, but they got vendors and tents and all kinds of cool little goodies and trinkets to buy, stuff like that. There is one little side area over here where people are driving in that didn't pre-register. Some cool stuff. Let's go check it out. And I definitely love my 80s flair. Check out this sweet Grand National. And here at the Motorheads, we got Martin's 32 and James 54. Oh yeah, we got Martin himself. So, you want to tell us about your sweet toy here, bud?
Sure. 32 Ford, 5-window coupe, 392 Chrysler Hemi, 871 blower.
How big are these back tires you got on here?
Very big.
I was gonna say, I'm not a small human, and these things are twice my hands. Like, my God.
I needed them to pair up with the engine.
We'll do a little peek on the inside here. Beautiful. We were just talking at breakfast about how his car is literally like a Hot Wheels in person. Like, it is so cool. Love this thing. Can't go wrong with a 32 with a huge blower on it. Just can't. And now we got James's 54. And it is gorgeous as well. So he did just do power tour with this thing. Not bad. He's also got an amazing square body besides this cream puff. Most of y'all should recognize this hoopty. There's my old 66 C10 Bandit. I got the 5.3 with the 4L60 in here. Dual Flowmaster exhaust. So it's dropped 4.5 in the front, 6 in the rear on 22x9 GM transports. Did my full custom interior here. And parked next to me, we got Stace's 32 sedan. This thing is also cherry. Stace is rocking the LS Power too. Also got Paul's beautiful 56 F100. Then last member of the crew today, we got Mike's 32 Roadster. This thing is freaking awesome. We're still rocking that old school power with the zoomies, which is super cool. Well, I'm a major 80s kid, and you cannot go wrong with a DeLorean. Like, I think I'd almost trade my 67 Camaro for a legit DeLorean. Like, holy moly. It's about to have to Back to the Future kit it out, like, completely, because I'm a huge dork. But it would be so awesome. Love this thing. Gotta say, if they have a Rat Rod Award, I really hope this guy wins it. This thing is legit, friends. Well, here's a pretty good treat, guys. So my buddy Paul met this guy named Rodney on Power Tour this last year, and he has got 2 real Superbirds. Check these out. So crazy to find a real one, much less 2. As you guys can see, this is an extremely family-friendly event if you guys are ever around. Tons of kids and dogs and all kinds of stuff everywhere. My family should be out here sometime soon. Get the kiddos to say hey. And some people are actually asking about my old ratty truck, so that made me feel kind of good because I didn't think anybody would care. How neat. Beautiful 1925 Model T. 100 years old. How cool. So I did look out, had the wife bring out my kiddos, so we're all enjoying this awesome car show, rocking the Classics or Better gear. Well, that was great having the family come out. I always appreciate getting the kids involved, and they're starting to like this more and more. So you know how it is, plant the seed with the little ones. I don't want to force this hobby on them, but man, if they're into it, that would be rad. Let's check out a few more cars before we get out of here. Of course, we have the actual courthouse itself. It's from like 1896 or something like that. It is an old one. The original one they built, I believe, burnt down, and then they remade this one back in the 1890s to look like the original one. But yeah, it is definitely a hallmark of the square. Man, I don't know if it's coming up on the camera, but that sparkle blue steering wheel is the bomb. Looks like they have run around the country in this thing. How neat. Hard to see on this Edsel, but the roof has blue flake in it as well. This thing just shining in the sun. We got a sweet 73 Corvette. I know a lot of people aren't totally into this body style, but I love it. This thing is great. Tell you what, guys, I had a ton of fun out here. It was an early morning, but it has been worth it. I've talked to so many awesome people and seen so many really cool rides. I really can't express to you guys how much fun getting out to your local car show is. So if you get a chance, go support your local scene. If you got an old cruiser, get it back on the road. Go enjoy yourself at one of these things. But as always, I greatly appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, think about doing the like or subscribe thing. I am a little YouTube channel, so I can use all the help I can get. But get out there, get wrenching, my friends. Until next time, have a good one.